and good day. My name is Jürgen Steinmetz from eTurboNews, and this is a breaking news update. For more news updates and shows, please go to youtube.com/travel news group. youtube.com/travel news group. Here's our update.
Curfews and mask mandate reintroduced in Romania amid COVID-19 surge. Romania is currently in the midst of the worst-ever health crisis since the global COVID-19 pandemic began. Night curfews and mandatory masks are reintroduced in Romania as COVID-19 cases spike. From 10 p.m. till 5 a.m. all people's movement will be prohibited throughout the country. Access to all public buildings and to all public activities and events will only be allowed to people with a green certificate. Romania's Secretary of State at the Ministry of Interior, who heads the Department for Emergency Situations, DSU, Rod Arafat, announced that the country's government is reintroducing the night curfew and mask mandate in all public places. From 10 p.m. to 5 a.m., people's movement will be prohibited throughout the country, the DSU chief said at a press conference, specifying exceptions to the restriction for those vaccinated or having recently recovered from the COVID-19. Romania is currently in the midst of the worst-ever health crisis since the global COVID-19 pandemic began. Starting today, the wearing of protective face masks is mandatory in Romania, in both indoor and outdoor public spaces, as well as in the workplace and in the public transport, said Arafat. Access to all public buildings as well as to all public activities and events will only be allowed to people with a green certificate. The new control measures set by the authorities will come into force on coming Monday for a period of 30 days, said Arafat. The pandemic situation in Romania deteriorated rapidly since late September, insufficient vaccine coverage of only 30% and non-compliance with protection measures are believed to be the main causes for the surge. This week, the Eastern European country registered a record daily new COVID-19 infections of 18,863, and 574 deaths.
Thank you for listening to our news update. There's more on youtube.com/travel news group, or you can read us, of course, in going to our news portal at eTurboNews.com or travelnews.online.